Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
If you tell us your name.
My name is Charles Uyekme.
Okay.
aka China Moon.
China Moon.
Yes.
We for social media, we just get different news, some kind news. But people like us know you to be a perfect gentleman. But some kind news information will come they get for social media. Amigo they accuse you, the other one, husband, I believe that name. JP is someone of Lucky. Okay, Lucky. Different accusation from different places. People like us, we're not going to fit just conclude without hearing from the other side. We believe in the principle of natural justice for law. The corner Nimo Judas in Kausaswa and Audi Otara pattern. We did one can hear your own side of the story before we will finally give our own judgment as far as this issue is concerned.
Thank you very much. Thank you, my brother. Me, I not get everything I really much when I want to talk about.
Yes.
Even this interview, I be not even one grant am. But I look and say it's still good me to hear my own side.
Yes.
Because waiting they happen, not being that they talk about.
Okay.
Waiting happen within me, us for the Degbe and JP of Scandinavia. Not past land matter.
Okay.
Now land matter. Us for the Degbe now be our community youth vice chairman. Now my boy, not be from my community. He was loyal to me. Now make me put him as vice chairman of my community to checkmate the chairman because I be businessman.
Okay.
Now make me put him. As I put him, at the end of the day, he can't start to sell land. After I don't sell land finish, the land we will sell for Church of God Mission some 3, 4, 5 years ago, he enter inside, break their fence, start to sell all their land. Last 2 years when I go America, when I come back, I can't see him say, now Mercedes Benz, now he can't use. Now I can say, oh boy, how far? It's not better for you. He say, no, he say, na Yahoo. Now he do, say, go Ghana. Now I say, that's a very good one. But inside my mind, I the reason I'm say, which day is that Yahoo? But I rest. Not until this last year, recently, the Church of God Mission come meet me, say their land, they come meet me and a Nogi of my community. They say the land where they buy from us, they won't go take possession. They won't start to work inside. When those ones reach inside there now, inside there, they don't sell land. As for the Degbe, that's Amigo younger brother, don't sell all the land. 560 plots where they buy from us, Amigo brother, as for the Degbe, don't sell almost 200 plots from the land. They sell and they sell them from the back. So nobody know. From there, Nair and Amigo can call me from America. Say I beg. Because an Amigo na person when I know before. But I know say a dubious person. I always run from him. Since we started the course elder statesman for Benin, started to run for him. I'm not going to talk to him. But suddenly that day, an Amigo just called me. Say I beg. He say make I join a brother, fight Church of God Mission. Make I join and say because say a brother don't confess to him. Say wait till he don't sell for that place don't pass 200. Then I say me not fit do that one. And I say because you can never eat your cake and have it. Then I say and with the level of my own level for Benin today and with my age, I say I don't fit do that kind of thing. Then brother say he beg. Then I say I know. They even go buy goats. Come give me. Say I beg make I forgive the boy. I say me not fit do that kind of thing. Then after they see and say I not agree, they can't go meet Church of God Mission. They can't go tell Church of God Mission say na me sell the land. Okay. Say na me they sell the land. Accidentally Church of God Mission come meet me again say now you they sell this land. Why you they say now your boys na sell them? Because I not get time when I tell they talk too much with somebody. Now I say okay, Church of God Mission if you say na me they sell the land, when I go carry on the land. Now Church of God Mission reach there. As they reach there, people don't even live for the houses. So the area where people never start to live, those small fence, because at night they can't lay foundation for the community. When my community boys go see me, they pursue them, they go use cultists, all these cultist boys, they pursue my community boys, go back. They will lay foundation for night. That's your commission reach there. Small space where they see, now they remove all the small fence wey the people don do, because this one was the one they just said this December, so and they remove am. As they remove am, the wetin me just come here now na my name for social media. China moon, this that. They no dey even dey talk about the land again.
Yes.
Wetin dem dey talk now, I go kidnap their mama, I go do this one, I go do that one. Now I even respond, I carry phone, I call Eranomigo. Now I say, Eranomigo, you are too old for this. Eranomigo, if person go kidnap your mama, you will go police station.
Yes.
You will go report am. If they destroy your house, you will go police station, you will go report. I say na the best way to take get us. Not be shouting on social media. I say, he says he talk to me, I no hear. Now I start to carry my wife, my children, everybody. They carry and they come out for Facebook, for social media. Cause when I don't receive, me I don't tire. So me no wan worry again. Me wan make it continue to talk, they go. Now I know wetin they talk. Anybody that has found one thing, maybe government, when the time is right, maybe the necessary security authorities, they go now call. And wetin baffle me pass again, na yesterday evening, I watch one. As for the Degbe, Eranomigo younger brother, same father, same mother, same, he get one time when me carry money, give am, me go kill my enogi. So that very part, they very, very important to me. And I want the government, all necessary security agent, authority to please call on him. Because this is, I don't know how to call it. They should call on him so that he should come and prove when and how I ask him to go and kill my Enogi that is my brother. I have reported the case to so many security agencies.
Okay.
So that's it.
Okay. So this allegations, so they level against you, so when they talk, say you contract on somebody that go eliminate the Enogi, you say nothing like that.
God forbid.
But you say you don't report to various security agencies.
Yes.
But why have you say they never take action?
They suppose don't take action.
Yes.
They don't go in house, they don't see him.
Okay.
Yesterday they even go in house, they don't see him. Day before yesterday they go in house, they don't see him. Nobody even dey in house as we speak.
Okay.
Because why he first run? Why he just first run? Wetin he do if I make am run? He carry thugs come my house for community. As he come here, he come carry gun, he come fire my house for community. He still dey this house where for they do this video, so
Yes.
you see up there, you get where he shoot there. 2 places when he shoot. Now God save me that day, say I quick see the motor, they enter my compound. Now and only me sit down here. Me and one of my boy. Now I sit down here. Now run, now bush inside bush, now I run enter. They run, they go. Then in now I don't see as I find and reach, I don't go everywhere. That same day I went to Ologbo one police station. I go report. Police reach there, they don't see him. So we don't know where in day now. So may God make me find am. Nothing, all the thing where they don't talk, no one even to pay me inside. That one say na me send am. As for the Degbe say na me, I send am say make e go kill Enogi. I wan make that fat, make dem bring am come outside. So na so.
Okay, what about all those prospective buyers now we buy land for that place, so for that government mission, I say they don't go dey sell am.
Yes.
What of those people now? What will be the fate of those people? We say he buy that land, so.
Church of God Mission don't open avenue for them, make them come dey settle.
Okay.
And some persons don't even go there, go dey settle.
Okay.
Go dey buy from them. And Church of God Mission, they ready to collect stipends from these people because na house of God.
Yes.
You understand? They don't get that kind of mind, say where person dey live. If you even reach that place now, not be how they take paint am to the world, not be so it be.
Yes.
Not be so it be. So now so.
In all this, you know, say all of us, you are a stakeholder. Every one of us, we there also now stakeholders. All of us, they make sure say we promote peace and tranquility for our various communities and our states. So make you just say, be like that. All of us, they maintain peace, more they promote peace, because if crisis dey like that, people don't feel consider what call invest for where crisis dey. It frustrates potential investors. As a father, as a statesman, they go make sure say peace dey. If you just say some kind matter, be say e not clear, security agencies will just still report instead of taking the law into your hands.
God forbid bad thing. I can never take the law into my hand.
Okay.
I'm always a peacemaker.
Yes.
Anything wey hot, I dey fear am.
So.
All this while when we dey do all of this, na one person peace dey the community.
Yes.
Na just one person, and this person no be from my community. Na from this Esama JP of Scandinavia. Esama Agetini Yemioja. This JP of Scandinavia and Ranomigo and his brother. This JP of Scandinavia, he go stay 4 months for Sweden. He go stay 1 month for Sweden. He go stay 4 months for Nigeria. Now this Nigeria, me no know say na my community land. Then they gather they sell. Now here, he makes the builders for Ring Road, the builders for town. Now here, a brother still give him where he build his own house inside the same Church of God mission. Now a brother still sell give him make. So why did they come up with all of this things? So that make we not see road investigate the matter. If you want to investigate, if you want to say something about somebody, you come outside. We go to see you.
Yes.
You go meet police. Check now, mo kidnap my mama or police na not here. Police go come, they will arrest me. Then you when they talk, you go stand. Make you they tell me how I take kidnap your mama. But me not see them. They don't run. Now me even gonna find them now because they don't come shoot here now. They don't run. Because no one will get peace. But there is peace in this community. If you go to the bush now, you see people walking. You go for inside that Church Mission land now, people they walk. People we don't go settle with Church Mission. Wait till they destroy a small foundation because once they don't say, you say a Church Mission won't come on quickly foundation put. Only one person now cause all this wahala. Maybe as for the Degbe and JP of Scandinavia, Lucky Edegbe. When the Ranomigo they the shout they go. Ranomigo say I not go enter America again.
You say no fear.
He say I not enter America again. So that one, terrorists will say in B. We go meet with and go solve that one for America. Anytime when I still reach America. But the one way concern me now, this Church of God Mission own. I want make the world know say Church of God Mission bought land from us. You can interview our Enogi. They bought land from us, and but don't carry the land sell. So maybe they talk waiting there on board.
Yes.
Not be can't they go left, go right. So now my brother. Thank you.
You might get any question before we round up this session.
Sorry, even if I'm behind the camera trying to ensure our viewers.
Now, Pidgin English program.
Even as I did behind camera, they try to understand, make things go, make our people still get some complaints. Make them see here as they happen. Because everybody know they allege you say, now so you be killer, now so you want kill Amigo, now so you want kill him brother. I beg those people if you say still buy land for there, is there any way? Those ones when they complain, say their land, they don't take up for there. Is there any way you can see assist them to make sure that the Church of God, the Church of God Mission to reclaim that investment? Because some of them are people that are suffering abroad and they want to see how they can stay.
They don't open a venue. They don't open a Church of God Mission don't open a venue for settlement. They don't open them. Okay. If you just come, once you come, even the remove where they write, now go see those remove just now. Carry on go the place. Now go see them, they write remove, they write their number. Put. So they go call them and stipend. People don't go do them. People don't they settle their own off.
Okay.
You understand? So now so it be. Because me and Ofi join us for the Degbe and Ranomigo Constitute for Nigeria. You know if they America, they make it mouth. Then make it they talk left, talk go right. Then people go they listen to them. I don't know why people they won't still they listen to that guy. Because now YouTube, all those how many view, how many like, now they take up. I know for America, my house to a house not far for America. I know am well. You no get work na small cutting. Now so round one place where they do wetin they nonsense where they do. So I beg, make una beg am. Though if I reach America, me wait and go face am. They say me not fit enter America again. Till I reach there. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So viewers at home, we'll take a roundup segment. I think nearly all the things we wanted to hear from Empire said it. So please, as the scholar is up by you, could you give a message for viewers?
We don't hear from our brother Mr. Charles Uyekbe, aka China Moon. You know, like as we always do our own, we don't hear from one side, make we just conclude. People believe in us well. Some of our people with there abroad, they don't call, say see what we dey hear. we will go investigate to ascertain the veracity, the verisimilitude of which these people they talk, whether not true or false. That is why we exercise our own discretion to make sure say yes, we hear for a part, to even exercise the sole right to fair hearing. Even God, we create us, God don't pass judgment upon people like that. When Adam and Eve ate the forbidden fruit, God hear from Adam and Eve before God pass judgment. We don't hear from a partner to counter the negative information wey just spread like avatar fire for social media and other platforms. Say see, we don't hear. Make we not be our own judge. Thank you. And with this now we'll take round off this program for today. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Amen.